This is part 3 video of making your phone box in CAD. Okay, so now you should have the backboard and 2 acrylic inserts, and what we want to do is the top layer on here. So take ourselves to this, here's an example of what I've done, and then eventually another example of how we can allow some areas for the sound to come out. So go to your file, here we are, and then you want to start by creating a 2D sketch on the front face like that. Zoom all. I would then go to project cut edges so that it highlights that whole area. Then you actually now want to create a 2-point rectangle, and you want this whole area to come out by 5mm extra. So with that rectangle highlighted, select that top area there and come all the way over so that your kind of cursor locks onto this bottom line here. Okay, then you should have a nice round number. Mine says 70 there, but my next number I want to put in as 5mm. Okay, so it should be 5mm for you. Okay, with that done like that, you next want to select a line, come down to the bottom of this, bottom left of this rectangle, click once and let go, and you can see you've got this line. If you click and drag, it will give you kind of a curvy line. We don't want that, so click and let go, and then just move it so that you've got a nice horizontal line. I can see that by the degrees there, it's horizontal. And I want this to be 8mm. So I'm just going to tap 8 and press return. And then to get out of this line, just press escape on your keyboard. Now I'm going to use the fillet tool, and I'm going to make sure this selects to 8 here. Okay, so put that in as 8. And then now you can select this line and this line here, and that's put a nice fillet in. This is doing it in 2D rather than 3D like we did earlier. Once it's done that, get rid of that part there, and now you can finish your sketch and you can go to extrude. This time when you extrude, you have already got 5 selected, which is good. Select the outside area, select this rectangle here, and then select this extra area here which you've created, and it should put a nice fillet in there for you. Make sure that you put new solid as you want it to be a new material, and then click OK. There we go. I shall now do the next video to show you how to put a pattern in on that part there.